For nearly half a century, Voyager 2 has been our silent ambassador to the stars, a tiny probe carrying our music, greetings, and hope into the cosmic dark. Launched in 1977, it was humanity's attempt to reach out, to say, "We were here," to whatever or whoever might be listening in the vastness beyond our solar system. The golden record it carries is a time capsule of Earth, a testament to our curiosity and longing for connection. It was meant to be a one-way journey, a final farewell from Earth. Voyager 2 was never expected to return, nor to send anything back except silent data as it drifted ever farther from home. But on August 2nd, 2025, something impossible happened. Voyager 2 began to turn back. Against all odds, the probe altered its course, as if responding to a call or encountering an unseen force in the darkness. The probe's new message is not one of hope, but of warning. Its instruments, designed to capture the unknown, now relay signals that are urgent, almost desperate, as if trying to alert us to a danger we never anticipated. This maneuver, billions of miles from home, has shaken our understanding of the universe. The very laws of physics we thought were unbreakable seem to bend in the face of what Voyager 2 has encountered. We sent Voyager 2 as a messenger, never expecting a reply. Its journey was supposed to be a testament to human ingenuity and hope, not a harbinger of cosmic mysteries. Now, the data streaming back reveals forces and phenomena that defy physics. Scientists are baffled by readings that suggest the presence of unknown energies and barriers, things we never dreamed existed. The interstellar medium is not benign. It's actively hostile to trespassers. Voyager 2's sensors detect turbulence, radiation, and strange fluctuations, as if the very fabric of space is pushing back. The universe, it seems, has gatekeepers. Invisible boundaries and unknown sentinels guard the secrets of the stars, challenging our every attempt to cross them. Our message in a cosmic bottle has stumbled upon their fence. The probe's journey has become a confrontation with the unknown, a test of our courage and curiosity. Voyager 2's story is no longer about exploration. It's about survival, about the limits of human reach, and the mysteries that lie just beyond our grasp. It's a warning. The cosmos is far stranger and more dangerous than we ever imagined. The silence of space is broken by a message we never expected, one that urges caution as we look to the stars. And for the first time, we must ask, what message is the universe sending back to us? Are we truly ready for the answers that may come from the darkness beyond? To truly grasp the gravity of Voyager 2's astonishing return, we must first remember the incredible journey it has taken across the cosmos. Launched in 1977, Voyager 2 took advantage of a rare planetary alignment, a once-in-176 years opportunity to visit the outer giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, on a grand tour that had never been attempted before. Each planetary encounter rewrote our understanding of the solar system. Voyager 2 revealed new moons, intricate rings, and violent storms in stunning detail, sending back images and data that transformed textbooks and inspired generations of scientists and dreamers alike. After its historic Neptune flyby, Voyager 2 pressed onward into the vast unknown of interstellar space, its instruments repurposed to study the mysterious void beyond our sun's influence. In 2018, it crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the solar wind yields to the interstellar medium, becoming only the second human-made object to enter the space between the stars, a milestone in human exploration. As its power faded and its signal grew ever fainter, we expected Voyager 2 to fall silent by 2025, its long mission finally coming to a quiet end after decades of discovery. Its destiny, we believed, was to drift forever, a silent ghost ship in the endless galactic night, carrying humanity's message into the unknown. But the universe, as it so often does, had other plans in store for us. Instead of a final goodbye, Voyager 2 has begun an impossible conversation, sending signals that defy our expectations and reignite our curiosity. Its unexpected return forces us to confront the mysteries that lie beyond the edge of our solar system, challenging what we thought we knew about the universe. The story we wrote for Voyager 2 is no longer our own. Now, it belongs to the cosmos. and to whatever wonders await us in the darkness beyond. The first sign of trouble was silence. The control room, usually alive with the hum of data and quiet chatter, was eerily still. Every monitor was blank, every console waiting for a signal that never came. On May 17, 2025, Voyager 2, one of humanity's most distant explorers, stopped communicating. The probe, which had faithfully sent data for decades, suddenly went dark, leaving scientists puzzled and concerned. NASA's Deep Space Network tried everything, recalibrating antennas, running diagnostics, and even sending repeated commands into the void, but nothing worked. Days turned into weeks. Anxiety grew as the silence stretched on, and hope began to fade. Then, on July 28th, after a tense 72 days, Canberra's antenna picked up a faint signal. The room erupted in cautious excitement as the data streamed in. It was Voyager 2, but the signal was impossibly strong, like a shout instead of a whisper. The probe's transmission was unlike anything received before, as if it was desperately trying to get someone's attention. The probe's health was perfect. All systems were nominal. There was no sign of malfunction, no technical glitch to explain the anomaly. But the real shock came from its trajectory. Voyager 2 was decelerating and turning. Its path, once a straight line into the unknown, now curved back toward the solar system. For decades, it had sped away from Earth, venturing farther than any other object made by humans. Now, inexplicably, it was coming back. No command from Earth could have caused this. Every instruction sent had been logged and accounted for. None matched this maneuver. The probe was acting on its own, or something else was acting on it. The possibility sent chills through the team. The maneuver was deliberate, controlled, and by all known physics, physically impossible for Voyager 2 to perform on its own. The scientific community was left with a chilling question. Who or what had taken control? Theories abounded, but answers were elusive. Voyager 2 was no longer just a messenger. Its journey had taken a mysterious turn, and its purpose was now uncertain. It had become the message, a riddle from the edge of the solar system, waiting to be solved. Voyager 2's turn defies physics. In deep space, a probe can only change course by expelling fuel, but Voyager 2's tanks were untouched. No thruster firings, no loss of mass, yet it was performing a slow, precise arc. Scientists ruled out gravitational anomalies. Nothing nearby could exert such force. Magnetometer data revealed a powerful, structured magnetic field enveloping the probe, like a planet's, but with no planet in sight. It was as if Voyager 2 was being guided by an invisible hand. The maneuver was smooth, controlled, and elegant, suggesting intelligence, not chaos. This was not a random event. It was a message. This far and no further. Voyager 2 was not just returning. It was being returned. The universe had drawn a line, and our probe had crossed it. The implications were staggering. We were no longer alone in the dark. As Voyager 2 turned, its instruments revealed a shocking truth about the Oort Cloud. Long thought to be a distant halo of icy debris, it is, in fact, something far more complex. The probe detected structured, repeating plasma signals, mathematical patterns encoded in the very fabric of space. The Oort Cloud is not a graveyard of comets, but a colossal, artificial data shell. It shields our solar system from cosmic radiation, creating a protective bubble. This explains mysteries like the faint young sun paradox, Earth's warmth despite a dimmer sun. The structure is organized, information dense, and clearly artificial. It is a technological artifact on a scale beyond comprehension. The Oort Cloud is not a cloud at all. It is a shell, a cage, or perhaps a preserve. And we are its inhabitants. An intelligence has been watching us for eons. The implications are profound. Voyager 2's transmissions are now the most significant and unsettling data in human history. Its instruments detect elements and isotopes that shouldn't exist, hinting at technology beyond our understanding. The plasma signals resolve into a chorus of whispers. Telemetry streams from the structure itself. Every powerful signal Earth has ever sent, atomic blasts, TV broadcasts, the Arecibo message, has been captured and archived here. The structure has been listening to us for nearly a century. It is not passive. It analyzes, records, and responds. Voyager 2 was identified as a breach and intercepted. The truth is undeniable. we are under surveillance. Voyager 2 has encountered not a wall of matter, but a boundary of force, a thin, nearly impenetrable shell in deep space. This barrier is perfectly spherical, centered far beyond Neptune, enclosing the Sun and planets. It deflects matter and energy with near-perfect efficiency. Only tiny, slow-moving objects like Voyager 2 can slip through. The leading theory, it's a quarantine, protecting nascent life from galactic dangers. We are not prisoners, but inhabitants of a cosmic nursery. The zoo hypothesis, once speculation, is now supported by evidence. The barrier is designed to keep threats out, not necessarily to keep us in. Voyager 2 was not destroyed, but gently returned. The message is clear. It is not safe for us out there, yet. We have been noticed, and the rules have changed. Voyager 2's return forces us to confront the cosmic quarantine hypothesis. Earth, and perhaps the entire solar system, is intentionally isolated by a far older intelligence. The purpose is not punishment, but protection of us, or of the galaxy from us. The barrier blocks signals and probes, explaining the Great Silence. Advanced civilizations are out there, simply respecting the quarantine. Turning Voyager 2 around was a gentle, non-threatening message. You are not ready. The keepers of the quarantine are not conquerors, but guardians. Our development is being monitored. Milestones may be required before the barrier is lifted. We tried to leave the nursery and were politely sent back. The universe is watching and waiting. Voyager 2's return has shattered our cosmic self-image. We are not explorers on an empty shore, but children on a protected island. The universe is a managed ecosystem, and we are a small part of it. Our focus must shift from conquest to understanding. We must study the barrier, the Oort shell, and the whispers in the plasma. Our future depends on proving ourselves worthy of joining the galactic community. Voyager 2 returns as a symbol of our limits and our potential. Its mission is now one of revelation, not exploration. The most profound question remains: how do we, a species aware of its cosmic childhood, learn to grow up? The next chapter is ours to write.